Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline. And here on this channel, we see makeup as something that is fun, creative, magical, and definitely for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. Today, I am so excited.
I know, me too, because we've been waiting for this for months. What are we using today?
So we have the Beautbean collab with Shroud Cosmetics.
It's FREAKIN Bats. You'd think this would be a Halloween collection.
Yes.
And it is. And it took months to arrive, but we're not mad.
No.
We're not mad because this collab is really special. Beautbean is a YouTuber, and her name is Betty Jean. And she got to collab with Shroud Cosmetics. And Shroud is Chloe, who is a one-woman show. So this is indie brand at its indiest. So she started out making makeup from her kitchen back in 2010, I believe. And this is what the palette, this particular palette looks like. And it is beautiful. And show your swatches.
Ooh. So I also love how the names reference a lot of spooky stuff. Betty Jean and Shroud are very witchy. We even have a reference, Trappa, to Halloween Town. Let me know if you know that reference. These colors are so pretty, so pigmented. This like blue in particular, and those greens are like calling my name. I'm so excited. Do we know if these are duochromes? These
they're duochromes. This purple one here, named Apparition, it goes from, it's a lilac to gold.
Yeah.
This one is 0. And they look similar kind of on the swatch, but...
Yeah, I think they have different, reflex.
Yeah, it goes lilac to kind of greeny gold. Yeah, it's so pretty.
So yeah, we're going to be trying out this palette. I tried it once. You've never tried it.
No, and I'm the one that ordered it.
Yeah.
And what was great about Chloe is, for her customer service, is every week she sent us a newsletter saying, what's going on. And she started out hand pressing these by herself.
Yeah.
And then she ended up getting a machine press. And Betty Jean had to approve of it. Currently her store is closed. So if you go to shroud.com, which we will link down below, it's closed for now, but you'll be able to order it later on.
So definitely keep an eye
when she catches up. And she's got so many cute palettes, including the Creepy Cute, and then the Arcana.
Yeah.
So
I'm thinking it's referencing the major arcana, like tarot deck.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth taking a look at, and we're gonna let you know what we think of this palette first trying it out.
Yeah, we're gonna start right now. Let's dig.
Go. Bye swatches. It's always so satisfying.
See how great my cellar water is?
Micellar water and a fucking makeup cloth. Boof, gone. I'm gonna dig in first.
What are you gonna do first?
Spooky, because I think it's the prettiest purpley blue I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm just sort of using a flatter brush, and it's gonna go on the top lid.
Okay, I'm just gonna go in a fluffy brush and do Trappa, which is sort of what do you call this color? Green?
I feel like it has one of those weird
those
names. Chartreuse?
Yes.
Does that make any sense?
Chartreuse.
Did you prep your eyelids with anything?
I just use foundation.
I have a NARS concealer with some setting powder. Betty Jean, Beautbean, she always uses the Urban Decay one.
Yeah, we watch you, Betty. We know what you do. I'm just placing the color, on the crease part above where the groove is. And I'm just gonna lay it down and then blend it out.
Oh, a strange thing is happening right now. I'm just packing the color down. It's very pigmented, a little chalky, so I just got some weird creasing. Look.
Oh yeah, interesting.
Hopefully that'll blend out. But I'll just lay this down at first. That did not happen the first time I did it.
Yeah, I find it easy blending. It's soft, but really pigmented.
Yeah, really pigmented. So that's just laid the color down. I'm going to go in with a bit of a fluffier brush.
Oh, you're gonna go in that color too.
Yeah, Adams, like this green, just to sort of deepen and add some depth into the...
I'm gonna do it as well,
crease?
just not in the crease, but on the outer V. So this blends in well with this chartreuse and with your spooky color.
That's true.
Speaking of spooky, is anyone watching Mayor of Easttown? Anyone
Do you
here?
like it?
I'm loving it.
So good.
Although Saturday Night Live did a spoof on it, and it's so funny.
Okay, a bit of a weird thing is happening, I gotta be honest. It reminds me of when I did watercolors in art school, and sometimes like a pigment picks up on itself. I think I made the mistake of packing too much pigment on at first, and it like built itself up and then took itself off, if that makes any sense.
That makes sense.
See what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
It's very weird. That did not happen before, so I'm just gonna lay a bit more back on.
It's not happening to me, by the way, because nothing bad ever happens to me makeup-wise.
No, it doesn't. Or maybe you just can't see.
Is that true?
I don't know.
What, Eenie?
Kidding.
Do you know, you guys have to know I call her Eenie.
Oh, yes.
I don't call her by her long name. It's too long.
Might even add a little bit of that grim shimmery also to the crease.
I want to lay a shimmer down. Handbook. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to go handbook. Should I have used a glitter glue? Do you have it? Or no?
I can get some.
Okay. Guys, I did have a little bit of makeup mishap. I had a little bit of fallout right here.
Well, you can tell when you go into the pan that it kicks up a little bit. So it's just one of those things you got to be careful.
Yes.
You know? We always put our base on first just because we cannot stand how it looks. I can't
It's insane not
see
to.
past my skin and my lack of, like, I can barely even stand, like, I don't have blush on yet. That's only, like, half terrible.
It's like putting your socks on before your underwear.
It's gross. It's bad. I impressed with people who can do their eyeshadow first, though. Good for you. Not us.
Ooh, look. So I just tapped on some glitter glue, and I'm using a clean finger to tap on this cool, bright chartreuse shade called Hunchback.
Handbook.
Okay.
Hunchback, as I used to call it as a kid.
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Yep. Hunchback.
She used to love that Disney. That was her favorite Disney cartoon.
I'm gonna take Trappa, tapping off this kick up, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line.
These shimmers are fantastic.
Yeah.
If these are kickbacky, the mattes,
Yeah.
the shimmers are making up for it. I don't care about kickback. Anyway.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna take Adams on the outer part of the lower lash line to blend it into the upper part.
Oh, I really wanted to use Dairy because it's a beautiful shade, so I'm going to use it to, as a liner thing. I was going to use a black liner.
No, use that.
Yeah.
I wonder how you make your own makeup. Like, how does that happen?
How do you even think to do that?
What do you do? How do you do this?
Like, how do you get powder to get colored? How do you make shine?
Yeah.
Anyone know?
Multi-chromes. How you do that?
Oh, the multi-chromes are very hard. Not even really good makeup brands can do multi-chromes properly, and I'm looking at you, somebody.
I'm gonna go in with a glitter now. I think I'm gonna take 0. Oh, should I have done glitter glue?
Do a little glitter glue.
To make it pop.
In the middle, I just put in Sam. It's a lighter colored, shimmery, glittery. Just right here, just to give it a barrier. What do you use for your inner corner in this palette?
I don't know, apparition?
Okay. I'm gonna try, even though it doesn't go with anything. Or does it?
So just tapping glitter glue like center of the lid and then going in with 0, patting it on. In real, it's really pretty. It has just like a very subtle iridescence to it. I think I'm just gonna go in with Spooky again, just to kind of blend the shimmer into these mattes.
This palette is to die for.
The color story is so interesting and unique. It's my favorite part of it. I want to go in with Handbook, that glittery green on the lower lash line.
I'm putting a little bit of Spooky underneath here. I want to use as many colors as I can.
Yeah.
I'm going to go pick up my car after this, so, you know.
Show up at the auto body shop. I had to pick up a car today at the auto body shop too, and I felt so, I don't know, little. All these
Like
men,
a little girl.
Like a little girl. I had my bike and my helmet, and I came to pick up the car. Why am I talking like that? I don't know. So I'm just keeping that Handbook just not all along the lower lash line, just like the center to closer to the inner part, if that makes sense. I just want to add a bit more depth in this area, maybe even along the lash line. Maybe I'll do that with Dairy.
My hair's getting so long it flips over my eye. Once I start to be able to chew my hair, I have to cut it. Even if it's still closed due to pandemic. Yeah. You're gonna have to cut my hair.
I have some good news. I got vaccinated.
Yeah.
We both have one dose. Just one.
Just one little dose.
So I'm just putting Dairy along the lash line to deepen. And then I think I want to put Apparition in the inner corner. Wow, I've really managed to use most of the colors.
You did, eh? But you didn't use...
I did use a little tiny bit of Grim.
Okay.
Just a little.
So did I.
Okay, ready for mascara? See how it all comes together?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to do our mascara and we'll be right back. Okay, quick blush moment. We're just using these little Tarte, they're like trios. And this highlighter in this is my favorite highlighter I've ever owned. I got it at Christmas and I've already hit pan.
Who bought it for you?
Myself.
Oh.
I think it was a Christmas sale or something.
Yeah, well, nah.
Endless Cacao.
Endless Cacao.
I think I'm going to go in with the lipstick first. I just have this really light pink Ariel from Colourpop.
Ooh, when did you get that?
A while ago.
I didn't know that. I'm into these rare beauty fluffs.
I'm obsessed with them.
What are they called?
Souffle, lip souffles, not floof.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go in with Endless Cacao.
It tickles.
What?
It tickles. Mmm. Moist. Why do people hate that word moist? Like, haven't they ever had a cake
I know.
that was moist? I want that cake. Our friend posted a cake from Nigella Lawson. It's a Guinness cake.
Oh, yeah.
We should put it down below. Ava CHILELLI cooks.
Oh my God, she is
You got to follow her Instagram account.
so good. Holy
She's
shit.
so good.
Everything she makes, I'm so jealous.
Me too. I can't wait till she moves back to Canada. She's in the UK now. She'll come back. She'll cook for us.
Yeah.
But somebody's going to have a birthday tomorrow. And somebody hasn't had a cake in many years.
Many years?
Yeah.
Oh no. My bad. I didn't know. I didn't think. I didn't
No,
know.
nobody. I'm the one that makes all the cakes. And nobody makes me a cake.
Shit. So
Yeah.
weird. Well, I know you're getting a cake tomorrow.
What?
I know you're getting a cake tomorrow.
Oh, okay. All right.
Anyway.
Okay.
So, what are your thoughts on your first try at the Beautbean Shroud palette?
Me, I love it. It's so gorgeous. We actually dug out some other palette just to show you something.
Yes.
So this is the Natasha Denona Triochrome palette, which it's not comparable really, but
Yeah.
the spring-like colors, right?
Yes.
Like you say what you think.
Okay, well, when I first opened up this palette and was swatching it, to me, it was what I wanted from this palette. Like those sort of like lavendery, those chartreuses, but this one has this like lacking oomph, you know?
And these trichromes are garbage.
Yeah.
Because you can just get trichromes or multichromes,
Yeah.
duochromes, or whatever chromes from any indie brand. 8 million times better. This is a mortgage payment. This retails for $35.
Yeah.
US.
Yeah. I mean, we liked that on our first impressions, but like once you go in to use it a lot, it's like hard to get inspired because a lot of the colors are just the same.
It's just
they're a
like
little
you just,
muddy.
that's kind of, set out for you to use it row by row.
Yeah.
I've never hardly picked it up.
Yeah. Which goes to show you, your first impressions aren't always that accurate. I did have a little bit of problems with the blending a little bit today, but that is likely me just picking up way too much shadow, or maybe today it was my skin prep. Like I had dewiness on my face all day until we got here. So anyway, that being said, the color story is phenomenal. The shimmers are gorgeous.
I think it's beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy I have it now. I think it's a beautiful palette year round, not just for Halloween.
No.
But for spring,
Not
for
at all.
summer. Like it's one of those palettes you could do the one and done looks. I hate that term. I never do a one and done because I just can't. I'm like, oh no, I just need to deepen this up.
I know.
I want to be that person, but I can't.
No.
But I bet you can.
Definitely with that blue for spring, that's a one and done for sure, I think. Yeah, so pretty. Definitely check out Shroud Cosmetics and Beautbean. We'll link them both down below. And I think that's it for today. Those are all our thoughts.
Yeah, and we're going to go watch Mayor of Easttown now.
Yes.
After I pick up my car.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Bye, witches.
Bye.